Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe that we are just a few days away from 2024? Can you? Because I can't. Okay, I want to introduce you to a new friend. And this friend is going to explain what we are going to be doing today. Are you ready?
Hello, friend. I'm very pleased to meet you. I'm going to tell you today in this video.
I already say what you're going to be doing. You say what the video is going to be about.
Hey, this is my turn. Go away, please. As I was saying before, this video is going to be about a recipe with a twist. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll be back with the recipe. See you soon.
As my friend said, we are going to make a recipe today with a twist. The end result of this recipe is going to be messy. So, now let's go and cook. We are going to start this recipe as we are making Cuban ground beef. What? You don't know how to make Cuban ground beef? Oh, no worries. I got you. Check the video above. You're going to take you to how to make seasoning Cuban ground beef. But finish the video first and then check the video. Or you can go and check the video and come back to this video later. But come back. As I was saying, we are going to be doing this as making Cuban ground beef with some extra steps. Are you enjoying this video so far? Si you enjoy it, don't forget to give a little tap to the like button if you like what you see. Give a tap to the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Now, let's cook.
this video in case you're learning how to make this yummy recipe. Well, I will see you next time. But now I need to go. See you next time.